Hey guys, Colin here. Hope that all is well. Wanted to share this with you as I was looking at the euro, British pound um, over here on Forex, and pretty excited about this chart that I'm seeing so far. So last night, I just happened to stumble across it as I was just looking through the different currencies, and right about here, which was 89,590 or something like that. I saw it come back up and I realized that it met, some resistance right here, and I said, "Whoa, this is looking good." And then, of course, looking at the RSI, it was way overbought. So I was saying, okay, here we go. This is looking good. She should be turning a corner pretty soon. But I took a position. And I've always found that you got to be very careful when you're trying to catch the very top of a turnaround or the very bottom of a turnaround. It's better to kind of wait a little bit till you actually see that it really changes the direction first. But if I'm ever experimenting with that, then I'll put a tight stop loss on that. So I put it here, and then it continued to go up a bit, and I came out of the trade because I looked to the left and I said, okay, if it's not going to stop right here because of this resistance, where is its next stop? And as I zoomed out, I saw this. So I realized that over here, these were previous highs that also met some strong resistance. So I said, okay, if it doesn't, what I'm going to do, I was about to go to bed, so I said I'm going to set a sell limit order up here at 91 0.90100 was where I set it. And sure enough, I woke up this morning and there it was. I'd actually opened a position on the trade. So it's been up here all day. But the thing about it is, this is looking really good for a turnaround real soon. I mean, that's definitely what I think. It's very overbought right now. And as you can see, it is a pretty good way down. I mean, look at this. I got the 50-day, 77-day, and a 200-day moving average. And I mean, all the way up here, the next, closest moving average is like, 1,000 pips away. However, what I do expect it to do, since this was a strong um, resistance line, it now shifts and now becomes a support line. So if this makes a turn and starts to come down, I am going to just kind of take my profits right about there, because if this continues to go higher, there's really nothing. Like I said, it's already very overbought on the RSI, so people are going to start selling soon. And for it, after it goes past this distance here, then there's nothing really stopping it from going all the way back up, and there's just not enough strength in the chart right now for it to do it, at least not right now on this round, not on this particular run right here. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. I mean, let me enlarge this for you so you can see here. I mean, this is super overbought right now, and the last time that it was even near this height was back in March over here, and again November last year. Right, what was this? November last year was again, it was around these levels. So looking back, you realize, hey, this thing has really got a this is in super overbought territory. Okay, super overbought territory. So we should be looking at a turnaround, in my opinion, pretty soon. That's what I'm expecting. And when she comes down, she's going to come down hard. Um, but yeah, so once again, just showing you that analysis here. So I'm looking at the 4-hour candle. If we zoom out here on the day, okay, you can see how this looks. So once again, you can clearly see these levels of support and resistance. Resistance here, and of course, if it journeys back down, there is super resistance at these levels, and again down here, and one last level of resistance right here. If it ever breaks past that, it's if it breaks past that, it's gonna take a good drop. So alright guys, just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, fortunately, just as I had calculated it, or I looked at it last night, I put my sell limit right here at the top. It's been up top here since for almost 12 hours now. So that's usually another strong sign before something's about to turn around. But all of the indicators are there. I mean, it's very overbought right now. Strong candle though. But when you look at that, you look at the MACD, look at the stochastics. I really think that it's going to make a turn soon. But just wanted to share my analysis with you. You know, as a lot of you have been asking for me to kind of do more videos like this, just so you can see how I come to decisions that I am making. Of course, you do your own research. You're responsible for your own investments. But once again, I'm sharing kind of my thought process and my analysis when I'm looking at a particular chart. Okay? All right, guys. Take care.